morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. I hope everybody had a great weekend and had great food. The weather here over the weekend was absolutely perfect here in Sutter County, California. Perfect fall weekend. Last night, I prepared, I'm looking at my notes, creamy chicken marsala gnocchi soup. Gnocchi. I love that word. This is a fantastic soup. Definitely repeatable for in the house. And look for this one in Soup Symphony, my soup cookbook. I had to doctor it just a little bit. Not bad. Just a few herbs here and there. A little bit of salt, typical stuff. But I was not happy with the instructions, aka the method. I'll probably rewrite it before I post it to the group, but it will definitely get to the group because it is really good. Today is egg day. Yeah. I'll be going through 14 to 16 eggs depending on how hungry I am later on in the day, into the evening. First dish is a sweet brioche bread pudding. 8 eggs, right there. There's 2 things I like about this particular recipe for bread pudding is it's a smaller size. When you see the pan I'm going to use, you'll understand. This is not a 9 by 13. This is not big. And it does not include or present with a whiskey or alcohol sauce. It is a brown sugar sauce. Yeah, you're going to get your dose of sugar with this dish, with this bread pudding. And for dinner, egg foo young. This is one of our favorite meals because it's fun. It's easy. Yeah, there's some prep. Remember, my prep for me is therapy. I'll put my headphones on after I get the bread pudding, situated, and I'll just rock out to my favorite radio station and just do it and have fun. That's why I'm saying the eggs, depending on how hungry I am. So let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Like I said, this is not a 9 by 13. This is about a 2-quart saucepan for the sauce, and the smaller, like a 10-inch nonstick fry pan for the egg foo young. Like I said, I got eggs. I decided to go. Unfortunately, I was not able to get any mushrooms from Cody from Auburn, but I did pick up some oyster mushrooms from Bel Air yesterday. So in this egg foo young, we'll have some salt, obviously kosher salt, white pepper. We'll have some onion, red bell pepper, some green onion, bean sprouts. That's the veggie portion. For the sauce, this is what is one of our favorites about this is the sauce. Chicken stock, soy sauce, rice vinegar, a little bit of sesame oil, and I use olive oil, and some cornstarch for thickening, and some brown sugar just to sweeten it up just a tad. So that's the egg foo young, real simple. The brioche bread pudding, this is about 10 ounces. I cut this up and had it dry out overnight. Actually, I started it once I got back from grocery shopping. I'll probably put this in the oven and dry it out a little bit more at 200 degrees. So we have eggs, half and half, and sugar for the bread pudding portion. And for the sauce, some heavy whipping cream or heavy cream, vanilla in both sides, brown sugar, obviously it's a brown sugar sauce, and 8 ounces of unsalted butter by my favorite, Clover. So that is the bread pudding, which will be first on my priority today. So on this Monday egg day, thank God eggs were on sale this week. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.